This is at the bottom of the trail for Falls Brook Falls. This is the Miramichi River. It's gorgeous. But we're not going to ride on the river. We're going to do a nice little hill climb. Just in case there's some cars. It's a nice little trail to go to Falls Brook Falls. Anybody can come here in a car or a pickup. Bikes, well, you can make it, but you'll have to make a major detour. Because once you get into the Holtzville line and you get to the Irving gate, you won't let dual sports through. I'm going to inquire a little bit and see if we can make that change, but in the meantime, it's just not allowed. They argued with me. They were absolutely rude. They didn't want to give me any contact to call to clarify the difference between a dirt bike and a dual sport, and actually asked me to leave. This gate, this is the rude lady. Discover New Brunswick, they say. Won't let me through because I have a dual sport bike and I'm allowed on the roads, but only dirt highway bikes can go through. Makes sense. Can't leave to the right, but we're going to leave to the left. Look at that. It's gorgeous.